Hey y'all, welcome back to Sidewynders Shed. Today is part 3 of tearing down the 5.2 liter Magnum. What we're going to do today, first we're going to start taking out the camshaft. And I got a couple of friends here. I got Doogie and my brother-in-law John. We've been hanging out in the shed for a little bit. But anyway,
drunkards.
Let's get started.
Here, here. Cheers.
I got you. George. John's in charge of the camera.
That's the charges,
Can we get this focused on here? You see what I'm doing?
Uh-huh.
All right. I've already taken off the timing chain and timing chain gear. There's the dog.
Gotta love a big
And my wife and my daughter are here, and my grandson. What's up, guys?
Just came to say hi.
Okay.
one. Oh, shit.
This is a little oil slinger that helps oil the chain. Alright, now, one thing you want to be careful with when you pull a camshaft out is camshaft bearings. Ooh. There we go. I had a lifter that was stuck. There we go. You want to be very careful about that because the camshaft bearings are made out of very soft metal, and it's real easy to score them because camshaft is hardened steel. And fortunately with the Dodge, you have this big area in the center that you can help grab the end of the camshaft with and guide it through. Okay, and here's what we got. And
What you need?
I need a rag, Doogie. No, I have shop rags.
Oh,
Buddy,
oh, you're all fancy in this shop, ain't you?
you got a shop rag here. Alright.
Back up some. There you go.
Alright.
We stepped up when we
Let's
made
see
the
what this
side
thing
one
looks
look
like. Oh my god. This has got more than 40,000 miles on
That
it.
got a lot more than 40,000.
Yeah.
Judging by the timing chain.
Yeah, this has got a lot.
My poor shaft.
Oh my god. Alright. Well, I'm not too worried about the lobes because I'm not reusing this. What I am concerned about are the journals on it. And they look nice and smooth though.
Well, it doesn't look scored at all.
No, don't look scored. Don't look burnt. Yeah, what we got? No, that's just dirt. That's just from my hands.
I think you'd be alright with that.
Yeah, that don't look bad. But, my God. Yeah, this has got some miles on it. Anyway, there's the camshaft. No. I'm not too worried about that. What I would like to see, and I'll have to do this later, is shine a light in here
I got that
and
one.
look at the bearings.
Found that little.
See
Probably.
what those look like. But anyway, that's the camshaft. And we're going to take a short break here. I'm going to put you on pause.
Actually, that don't look bad at all.
Yeah, I can see the camera.
There's no brass showing.
No.
They all look good. Even the back one.
Good deal, because
Yeah, you're golden with that.
what I'm trying to do is keep this engine. Trying to keep this engine out of the machine shop. All right, this again is going to be a temporary engine, maybe a year or two in my truck, while I rebuild the 360. Again, I was just gonna freshen this up and toss it in the truck, but I'm gonna go ahead and put a stroker kit in it, and make it worth my while. All right, guys, give me a second. I'm gonna flip this engine over, and we're gonna take the crankshaft out and the pistons. So,